everyone. In this video journal, I will discuss the developmental milestone of Amara, a 24 months old toddler. At this stage, children experience rapid development in their language, physical, motor, cognitive, and socio-emotional skills. Amara can run well, kick a ball forward, turn pages in a book, and complete simple shape sorters. She also uses short 2 to 3 word phrases and sometimes repeat phrases from cartoons. However, she does not yet combine words consistently and sometimes has tantrums when told no. To better understand Amara's development, I will analyze her behavior using developmental theories, particularly the ideas of Jean Piaget and Erik Erikson. At 24 months old, toddlers are typically in the sensorimotor stage according to Jean Piaget. In this stage, children learn through movement, exploration, and interaction with objects. They begin to develop problem-solving skills and curiosity about their environment. Amara's ability to run, kick a ball, and manipulate shape sorters shows that her gross motor and fine motor skills are developing appropriately for her age. These activities also demonstrate early cognitive development as she is learning how object works and how to solve simple problems. In terms of language development, toddlers around this age usually begin forming two-word phrases and expanding their vocabulary. Amara's use of short phrases and her tendency to repeat phrases from cartoons is a common behavior called imitation, which helps children learn language. From a socio-emotional perspective, according to Erik Erikson, toddlers are in the stage of autonomy versus shame and doubt. In this stage, children begin to develop a sense of independence and wants to do things on their own. When Amara's throw tantrums when told no, it may be because she is trying to assert her independence but still struggles to regulate her emotion. Growing up in a bilingual household may also influence her language development. It is normal for children exposed to two languages to sometimes take longer to consistently combine words as they are learning two languages system. Based on the scenario, several of Amara's behavior are developmentally appropriate for her age. First, her ability to run and kick a ball shows strong gross motor development. These skills usually develop around the toddler stage when children gain better balance and coordination. Second, Amara's ability to turn pages in a board book and complete simple shape sorters demonstrate fine motor skills and early problem-solving activities. These activities help strengthen hand-eye coordination and cognitive development. Third, Amara's use of 2 to 3 words phrases indicates that her language skills are emerging even though she does not combine words consistently yet. Her tendency to repeat phrases from cartoons also reflect language learning through observation and imitation. Lastly, Amara's tantrums are also common for toddlers. At this stage, children are still learning how to manage their emotion and communicate their needs effectively. Since Amara is exposed to two languages, it may sometimes be harder for her to express herself clearly, which can lead to frustration. Overall, Amara's behavior reflects the typical development patterns of a 2-year-old child. Understanding children's developmental milestone is important for caregivers, parents, and teachers because it helps them respond to children's needs appropriately. By recognizing that behaviors like tantrums, imitation, and exploration are normal parts of development, adults can provide a supportive and patient environment for toddlers. Adults can support Amara's development by talking with her frequently, reading books together, encouraging play, and giving her opportunities to explore safely. For a child growing up in a bilingual home, caregivers can also consistently use both languages and encourage communication through everyday interaction. Through proper guidance, patience, and support, children like Amara can continue to develop their confidence, language skills, and independence. That's all for today, and thank you for listening.